Alright, I figured I'd share with you my plans for the Blue Bastard truck. I picked up a brand new, to me, used chrome bumper that's going to be going on the front. This one was bashed in the front and all down the side here, as you can see. And when I bought this truck, it came with new inner and outer cab corners, which is really nice. I picked up some cheap left and right rocker panels just in case I need to cut a patch panel out of this one or just replace the whole thing. And it looks pretty bad in there, if you can see that. So I don't know if it'll be more than a patch panel. It'll likely be the whole thing. This cab corner is just shot. And then this will help me get rid of this big dent here. So I had a nice guy chop up a box side for me. And here it is. So I can just do whatever I want to cut this patch panel out. It should be pretty simple. I have a angle grinder with a zip disc on it, and my dad just bought me a welder, so I'm really happy about that. I'll get to try that out soon enough. So this is kind of my plans for the Blue Bastard truck, so we'll see where this takes me.